Hello everyone, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you guys. It's the Witch's Moon and it's for, believe it or not, September. And this is the way it always looks. And let's get to it. I can't believe it's September, guys. It's starting to turn into fall. Alright, so as I open it, as always, we have our beautiful selection here. Okay. Alright, so the first thing on top is our paperwork with the twined. We have a cute, looks like a fairy card here. There we go. Rainbows of love. All about you are rainbows of love. Breathe in and welcome the sweet joy of life that is entering your energy field. You are a rainbow child and we cherish you. So that's our oracle. And let's find out our theme. Our theme is the spirit of Flora, a Hedge Witch collection. Ooh, now that I like. All right. So we have a beautiful sigil card right here, guys. I'm assuming it goes this way. And it's really pretty. It's fallish. Very nice. And there's a note in here. It's about the item in the box, so we'll go over that when we're done. So our first Book of Shadows sheet is Aramid. I don't want to butcher the goddess's name, but it says Aramid. Aramid. Beautiful. Look at that. As always, these are absolutely stunning. And we get two this month. Magical Herbal Reference Healing. Ooh, nice. Wow, I like this. It's to promote healing and recovery herbs, and they also have to maintain well-being herbs. And I love how fall it is. Isn't that beautiful? Very gorgeous. So far, so good. Very, very nice. Being so close to my favorite time of year. Okay. Oh, let me grab this first because that's what that note's about. So we have this. This looks like cedar to me. So let's see. This is saying it's patchouli mountain sage. This wonderfully aromatic patchouli mountain sage stick is included with this collection to bring the energies of focus and action while clearing away feelings of anxiety, fear, and ill intent. As you're allowed to smoke from the bundle to wave throughout your sacred space, visualize the energies around you clearing and pulsing with new vibrations, filled with fresh thoughts and emotions. I'm going to say this for my witchy house. Okay. Then we have a T here. And again, I don't want to butcher the name, and it's really hard for me to read this font. So I'm just going to show you. It's beautiful green paper. It's in. I like this bag. Cool. It's a tea bag. Yes, it's a tea bag. All right, so we have a cool tea bag there. What is this? Yes, and this. All right, well, let's grab this first. We have, it looks like a spray, and I do adore their sprays. This one says Gaia. And it's a big one, you know? And it has the sprayer. And you can cut it to fit in there. Little scissor, clip it, and it'll go nice in there. Very nice. Let me give it a... We'll have to read what's in that. That smells delightful. And then we have... I'm going to go for the irregular stuff that I know we get. And then I see 2 things in here that we don't normally have. So I'll save those goodies for last. This is our candle. And this month's candle is a yellow beeswax with like a golden hue. Definitely got some oils in there besides beeswax. We have our incense, guys, and this is Mystic Myrrh. Mystic Myrrh. All right, and then of course we have this, and I don't even want to open it because it's so pretty. I like the way it's wrapped. Very cool, and there's a sigil on here. I don't want to ruin. So I'm gonna slide it out so nice. I know what's in here. Oh. Okay. They put a quartz, really rainbowy, I think this is called Fire and Ice quartz. It's cracked. We have these guys at the store, really beautiful stones. Elf leaf, which is lavender. We have rose petals. Egyptian chamomile. And a reusable sachet. All right, that came in the bag. But it might be the same as the picture here. I'm thinking it, no. Maybe so? No. All right, and then we have our last item, which is this black. This is usually comes in their bounty boxes, the beautiful boxes like this. What the heck is this? Wow. We have, it's very heavy and aged looking. We got a leaf. It looks like a bowline. Yeah, this is a bowline. It's very sharp here. Oh, wow, that is amazing. Cut your herbs with this. Fits nice in my hand. Never seen something like this. This is truly amazing. I've seen bowlines before, but nothing handcrafted and as pretty as this. Wow. And it comes in the beautiful box to keep it safe because it is a little sharp. So if you have little ones, careful. I'm blown away. I love to get handmade items that are so unique and cool. All right, what did I do with the paperwork? I'm sitting on it. Okay. So let's find out a little bit more about this box. There are many times along our path that we find ourselves disconnected and distant from inspiration, creativity, and passion. These blockages are largely attributed to heavy energy that invade our space and captured our essence. Through our practice of working with natural elements and calling upon our guides, we release these negative energies and begin to rekindle the inspiring fire that is held within. As we reach towards and welcoming the autumnal equinox, we begin to reap the bounties of their efforts from the past several months and start to incorporate our connections with the natural elements to bring healing, regeneration, and wholeness. In this one-of-a-kind collection, we showcase handmade tools that aid in this very practice. So, of course, the first item that they went over here is this beautiful Witch's Moon exclusive handmade herb rocker and storage box, they're going to call it. The mezzaluna, meaning half moon in Italian, is considered a knife, most commonly found with a curved blade to be rocked back and forth on a cutting board to cut herbs. This tool is an integral part of the witch's cabinet and can often become a daily tool for ritual work and herbal preparation. This can include cutting of herbs, flowers, and roots, and for ritual preparation, including but not limited to creating tinctures, oils, herbal blends. During this time of year, we reflect on the bask in the blessings of our harvest and fruits of our labor. The herb rocker becomes a powerful symbol. The herb rocker has been exclusively created for subscribers of this collection, intended to be introduced during this very season, with defined floral pattern engraved upon the blade of this rocker. Can be sharp and is not intended to be left out. Made of both brass and iron, we would kindly recommend keeping the blade oiled when possible, using simple mineral or linseed oil to prevent tarnishing. Also, we recommend cleaning it with a dry cloth without the use of water or soap. When not in use, placing the herb rocker back into the custom box that was created for this very purpose. Love it. Then it goes into the Healing Book of Shadows. Then the Great Harvest Ritual Bath Kit. That's what this is. We are thrilled to bring this collection of Great Harvest Ritual Bath Kit. It includes lavender, the rose petals, the Egyptian chamomile, and cracked quartz. So I guess you're going to put that all in that little bag that they gave you. Yeah. Set for you with your own ritual bath tea, including mixtures of rose, lemon, tightening them placed within your bath water. You can add other oils and herbs to be added with this blend and can be included for a specific purpose if you'd like. And it can be used over a course of several rituals, being emptied and refilled. So they included the lavender, which is nice, calming, and it's a nice healer. Helps with anxiety and depression. Rose petals is good for love. Also brings confidence. You got the chamomile, which is good for calming nerves as well. Promotes restfulness. Can combat negative thoughts and energies. And the ice quartz obviously is a great healer, and you can charge that for whatever you'd like to heal, which is great. So I like that. Then we have the Gaia Ritual Spray. Introduced a long-awaited Gaia Ritual Spray from within this collection. With a special blend we created with nurturing energies of Great Mother Earth to your sacred space and practice. As you spray around yourself, state your intentions and explain your gratitude for sacred connection, this bounty to you through all natural elements. As we prepare for the waning months of the year, allow this spray to be your companion for a continual reminder that that's a sacred bond we've created. It is a special mixture of Lush Autumn Magic Oil from their cabinet, green tea, jasmine, cedarwood, and yeah, that's what that's mixed with. Then you got the hand-rolled blessings of Mabon candle. Hand-rolled and anointed this candle with the intention of celebrating the autumn equinox or Maban. This is the time of equilibrium, resting within night and day, masculine and feminine, within balance of all things. The sun's power begins to come to an end, and the great darkness begins to expand and consume. This is a wonderful time to celebrate the fruits of our labors from previous months, giving offerings to guides, release negative thoughts and emotions. Very cool. Then this is a sigil, Great Transition Sigil, which created exclusive for this collection and charged with the energies of the autumn equinox, particularly with the importance of great transformation that happens during this time of year. Allow this sigil to work quietly in dispelling old thoughts, patterns, and bad habits, allowing you to draw new inspiration and hopes. And it has an affirmation for you to say. And then it has that T that I can't pronounce. It's CYMBOPOGON. Seigenbogen? I don't know. A wonderful, fresh, revitalizing blend. Ritual herbal tea bag has been placed in this collection for its potent ability to shine light on all corners of darkness found within emotional, spiritual, and the physical body. It is lemongrass, also known for its ability to open thoughts and perceptions. Lemongrass also brings... Oh, maybe it's another word for lemongrass, I guess. Because that's what it's saying it is. All right, pretty cool. Then... Mystic Myrrh incense sticks. Allows the energies to boost your spirits and enhance your magical workings. We did the card. We did that. We did the sage. We have this beautiful Ahmed Book of Shadows artwork. And these are all done by A.E. Alden, which is absolutely stunning. They always give you an extra paper to do your own work, which I like. And last but not least is the card. And this is from Laurie Cavendish's Fairy Whispers deck. Very cool. So, what do you think of September's box? I absolutely love it. I love, like I said, when you get awesome items that we just can't get anywhere. So I am truly, truly excited about what's in the box. I don't think they wrote about the sage in here. That's why they included this. But I absolutely love it. I'll leave you the information about this box in the description below as always. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please hit like, subscribe, notification. I'm trying to get to 3,000 so I can give out a beautiful giveaway. So if you know anyone who'd like this channel, let them know about it. Thanks, guys.